Hello everyone. Today I'm Stefan B, and today we'll be starting some scalping. We'll be watching some charts, doing some analysis, and look for some setups. Usually I'm looking for them on a low time frame because I want to be in and out for that specific session, especially if there are news. So let's jump up and let's find some setups. Let's give it 2 more minutes until everybody has some time to jump up, and then find some clear setups. And I'll tell you my overview on low time frame on what's going on with the markets, what I see low time frame, which are the potential plays and stuff like that. Yesterday I took 2 losses here. I took a nice win on this long. It went exactly like this was one. Like I planned it. Well, this one paid easily for these two and some more profits. So it's not a big issue. The most important thing is holding up to your plan. That's the most important thing. Don't forget to hit that like, guys, to share it with your friends, and let's make some money. Okay, I really want to go again and see the weekly overview. Okay, well, I have to confess I don't like this supply. Look at these 3 candles. Okay, clear supply. Though this candle showed massive buying pressure. Yeah. So this is demand. Most likely price will tap into 63,000. Okay, we have our draw of liquidity in this point. We have a big and nice buyback candle here. We are in the daily FEG, and in the same time we are above Monday low. So that's Monday low, that's Monday high. This is the supply area, pretty tough. Technically we should long, but you know, I'm a greedy goblin. I like having a good risk to reward. For me, at least 2.5 risk to reward is the way, 2.3, stuff like that. I don't have a fixed risk to reward target. I'm basing my setups off the market structure. Let's look back on the previous candles. Look at this, the same stuff here. Yeah, Monday candle rose above, then we have a daily FEG. You can see that the price retraced all the way down to the low of that candle which created the FEG. So I'm taking this draw of liquidity and even this one, lower one. Let's go lower time frame, what we can find. 4-hour time frame, we have confirmed demand. Price wants to create a potential reversal, but be careful here. Here and here. Also, look, you can see daily open, it's exactly in this point, and 61.8. Let's put even a 0.5. I don't know how weak the price action might be. Okay, we concluded our 4 hours. We concluded our 4-hour points of interest. Nice. So price sits exactly at the POC. And this is value area high, but I have nice confluences here for a short. I have to tell you that. Really nice confluences for a short around here. Value area high 61.8, previous SNR, major SNR, and 4-hour FEG. Let's go lower, Okay, technically speaking, I can see this this high, our hold level. What's a hold level? It's technically the high of the range. So, okay, let's zoom in. Here, I can see the high of the actual range. So, price action, it's inside the range right now on low time frame. Okay, and this is the range high. What you can do is actually scalp range low and take profit at the range high. If you want to long, if you want to short, it's a little bit more difficult because due to the fact that we dumped so much, we might have a short squeeze. So price might not respect necessarily uh, um, price might not necessarily respect the market structure because as I saw yesterday, for example, I took some stop losses and I'm really happy that I took them because if I would have not taken the stop loss, I took this range reclaim here. This was the initial one, and you see the 15 minutes candle. It closed beautifully, and technically speaking, it should have went around here and then dumped. That was my plan. But if I would have not had a stop loss, man, my portfolio would have been fucked up. So I don't know, something like this, and I would have lost like 10 times of what I would have planned. But this is, I mean, this is garbage because there is no room for such thing in a trader's life, to put it like that. There is no room for not having a stop loss. So it's a little bit nonsense. We had a potential downside channel here, downtrend channel. Price broke the downtrend channel. It's more like a liquidity squeeze in this point, like a relief rally, you know, because price dumped so aggressively and now it's just relieving from the liquidations that he created, that the price created. So that's why it's pushed to the upside. So maybe the focus should not be on Bitcoin. Let's create the plan on Ethereum. The plan, which I have to confess, it's a little bit tricky, and I'll show you why. Well, see, these highs are nicely respected. This was a deviation again here. We have lots of equal lows. So my thesis is that still we'll sweep these lows. Well, who knows? We don't have a bullish market structure shift. The trend is still bearish on a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, this was just a sweep of the highs, liquidity grab, nothing more than that. And I have a short setup here. I shorted? No, I didn't. But we have a short setup at this point. Technically speaking, what the price should do, well, I don't know if anyone wants to. This is what the price should do. Technically speaking, okay? I don't speak about fundamentals, FOMO, or stuff like that, BlackRock and bullshit like that. I speak only from technical analysis point of view. We have a nice demand form on 4-hour here, so maybe price might go one more time to the upside. But guys, I don't like this structure on 4 hours. This is not bullish at all. This is not bullish. This type of fuckery is not bullish. This is sort of an AB equals CD. 1, 2, 3. AB equals CD. This is not bullish at all. Will I short Ethereum? I wouldn't like to do that, but it's a short setup. Yes, it is. So I don't know where the next leg is. Let's put it here. But an AB equals CD would dump it in this 3000. And let's see, stop loss all the way up. Yeah, you have a 2 point. Let's put a 3000. There you go. This equal lows here are a good target. So 2.34R. It's a basic trade. It's a high probability trade. Why not? Okay. I repeat, this structure is not bullish at all in my point of view. And order flow is still bearish in my books. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just leave this one here. Maybe why not? I'll risk 0.5. Though I don't like risking 0.5 on a 4-hour trade. It's like I'd better not take it or something like that. But it's there. And then if I want to long, I repeatedly said I want to see a nice deviation under this area, make everyone panic like shit, and then a reclaim would be a nice trigger. Or I really think Ethereum can go to $10,000. Okay, but that's not helping us, Stefan. If you're, we want some scalp trades. Okay, let's look for some scalp trades. I don't like this liquidity that's been forming to the downside. Okay, Bitcoin pushing. Let's find some altcoins. I don't like this V-shaped bottom, this Dalai Lama kind of pattern. Hmm. Let me check something, some aggregate some data and check it up. Which coins are the longable ones? Okay, longable. And open interest change says this. Okay. So Riff, Dodo, let's see, Riff. Well, fuck, I can long this. Dodo X USDT. Well, a little bit too high for my taste. BSV. Fired XEM. Fired Bell. Yeah, something. Let's see, daily. Monday high is not taken. Let's see, 4-hour. Nice. Okay, I like it. I might long this one. We had the Wyckoff check. Okay, 5 minutes. Well, fuck me. Call me crazy. Equal highs. We have a setup, boys. Should I be a greedy goblin? Let me check. And the price can even tap in this effigy. But I hate it. Okay, let's give it a 4.12 R. And even a potential LJ here. That would help you with the risk reward ratio. Yeah. 1 second, let me pause this one on VIP. Let me take it first and then post it on VIP. Hey, Dalmudi, good night. uh, man, it's so difficult to scalp live. I mean, the pressure, I don't have it anymore. I don't care if it's a take profit or a stop loss. I don't have that pressure anymore. Actually, though, I can put it my entry here and give it a little bit more space. Yeah. Maybe I'm a greedy goblin. Let's change it. Entry price, take profit price should be the same. Yeah, and stop loss a little bit lower. I want to be safer than sorry. Readjusted the entry and stop loss. Okay. Okay, we have one. Boom. Yeah, I like the entry adjustment too. Next one, ARPA. Okay, we have this one. Guys, it's so difficult to look for trades live. I mean, the pressure, I don't have it anymore from people saying, oh, I took a stop loss. Well, I don't care. I took a stop loss too. I took 3, I took 4, I took 10 stop losses. Actually, I'm happy because When I'm taking a stop loss, it means that I saved capital, because if I would have not taken the stop loss, I would have been fucked. What do we have here? Man, I love this setup. I absolutely love this setup. It tapped into 61.8? Motherfuckers, no. Okay. I have one of my favorite setups here, the internal liquidity range one. Oh, value area low. Oh my God. Okay, I like it. Okay, where's the value area high? 2.45. Well, 2.45 hour a day keeps the profits locked. Let's take this one too. 3 setups usually I aim for this session. ARPA, USDT, entry. Man, this ARPA, it's A+. It has everything that you want. It has FEG, equal lows into, yeah, I don't need to draw it. It's a long reload zone. Yeah. And value area low. And 4-hour FEG here violated and reclaimed. So one of my best setups. Okay. We have 2 setups. We can look for one more maybe. That was quick. Whiff. Yeah. This looks like a Dalai Lama kind of trade. The thing is that you want to take some profits here at this violation of the highs. And if I take a trade here, it's too late for my days. MAV a little bit too high. I like the consolidation on this one. Man, I like it. I like the consolidation, but anyway, the price should reject around here. And then I would TP around here. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal as well. Let's go fishing, like Abdullah likes to do. Let's go fishing, boys. If it wants to give me this entry, then okay. If not, I don't care. But I will fish this. Or okay, 5 restore your diamond greedy goblin. Let's give it some room to breed. 4 restore your is more than enough. Let's go fishing, boys. I saw this fuckery happening a lot of times, so why not? So we have Mav, Arpa, and Spell. Okay, let's go furthermore and maybe some honorable mentions. Go away. I don't need your, need no indicators. Base USDT. Not great, not terrible. I don't like it. Zek. Ooh. Hey. Yeah, that dump. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ave. Well, too late for me. Already played out this one. Pump. No. NKN. Bombe. No. No. Well, nice. Bombe. AI. Okay. It's like we have something. No, I don't like this dump. Most likely price will do an AB equals CD. OM. Okay. Nice. Man, this was a nice LJ. Fuck me. Hey, Octavian. Hey, Otto. Hey, man. Nice seeing you here. Nice seeing you here. I miss drinking a coffee with you, Otto. Well, this one was a nice setup, guys. I missed it. Well, anyway, I don't have to be greedy because I made more than enough profits this month. More than 25%. Even this one looks okay. You'll see. Well, well. Man, when I see a chart like this, I just close it. No, thank you. I don't know how Nathaniel is trading those stocks. I don't know if you guys saw uh, how stocks are looking with the gaps and stuff like that. Man, they are untradeable. It's the ugliest thing I ever saw. I can't trade a chart like that. Well, we have 3 setups. I posted 3 setups. I don't have to push it too much now. Well, can't wait. We'll have some fun then. Yeah, I think we are okay with those 3 setups because also if Ethereum follows my plan, well, you want to be out of those counts. Let's say standard deviation. I'm curious where it hits that sweet spot to 2.5. There you go. Yeah. Not great, not terrible. With the news today, this one is safer. Yeah. But I mean, at the news, nothing is safe ever. Let's post 3 longs and 1 short. I still believe my thesis is look at this dump on the left side. So look at this dump. Do you think that market is slowly pushing to the upside? Well, after a dump like that, you really think that it's done? The whole structure. Um, 1 second to post the trade. And it's really difficult to live, look for setups, and then trade. Not easy. Okay, done. Any questions, guys? Any requests? Well, they are pumping. Let's see what setups I posted. ARPA. ARPA, spell. Oh, okay, it's coming for our entry already. ARPA, spell, Ethereum, and MAV. Okay, well, waiting for them. Nothing that I can do right now. Just waiting. Well, anyway, if this one it fires, I can go 1 minute and then chase it. So not a problem if it's not giving me my entry. So I'll just let it be. If it breaks this neckline, then it confirms a little cheeky W double bottom. Then I can chase it. Shitcoins. I mentioned on VIP that I'll be hunting some cheat coins. Well, Gnus AI is not a shitcoin, though the way that the devs and the team managed the whole project on Gnus, it behaved like a shitcoin. I mean, let me show you the chart. I mean, look at this. Yeah, in the way that they worked with the project and everything, it looks like a shitcoin, the chart. I bought on this dump. I have to confess, I bought at around 2.6. One second, 61.8, yeah, 2.8. Come on. Okay, there we go. I bought some of this shitcoin. It made already a double. I bought at 2.8. I made a double. But it will come back and retest most likely around 2.5, $3 or even lower. But these are the potential plays for a 100x. I don't know. Yeah, we have a lot of free coins. Next one, it's Suji. Is this one, and I saw it when it was here, and I totally ignored this bullshit, this crap coin. But I have to confess that my meme portfolio sometimes it's doing way better than my trading portfolio and stuff like that. I made and more than that, because it was quite difficult to have the free coins in the same wallet uh, with the main coins. What I did, I actually did another wallet where I just transfer my free coins, and I keep them there and I never look at them. Let's check Pendle. Tell me the time frame. The spot, futures, whatever. Tell me the time frame. It's like I took a cheeky loss here on Pendle. Well, after a dump like this, usually it's not the last dump. You want a scalp? I'm using mm, the ghost one. I don't know the word, man. Phantom. I just made the wallet special for my sell halves on a double, so I just ignore them and I don't see them when I'm opening the wallet. It's not looking good, the history knowledges. This looks like a potential AB equals CD. This structure is not bullish most of the times. It can end up like here, it can end up bullish, but I don't know if it's the case again, because most of the times after you have an aggressive dump, that type of structure, it's the one that it sends it lower. And if we look at the daily, where Pendle, it has more room to go down. Yeah, look at the weekly here. So we are rejecting this FEG. But tell me the time frame, please, because I can chart weekly, monthly. I can chart all the time frames possible and then not come even close to your request of what time frame you want or set up or I don't know, long, short. Yeah, download it. So let me know what time frame you want. 15 minutes, scalping level. Hmm. I don't know what I can do here. I can't do too many things here. Yeah, exactly, downloading. If it comes back down, maybe I will try to scalp long around here. Because looks like yeah, we are long. Nice point, Mansoor. Send this motherfucker to take profit. Pay the trader, Mansoor. Pay the trader. Well, my patience paid off. 1 hour, okay. 1 hour pendle. Well, yeah. Price is trapped in equilibrium. Equilibrium is usually the 0.5 fib, which you don't want to touch. I don't need to put a fib here because you can already see it. So it's trapped between these two levels. You don't want to touch it. Let me check the volume profile too. Maybe. So you see that the price is just consolidating this cluster. It's at this cluster. We have a nice peak volume here, exactly where I pointed out for the long. And here would be a good stop loss. And here. And then this is the third point. So let's, but if this is a bearish pattern, you will take the stop loss instantly if you're trying this. Okay. Maybe an AB equals CD here. Maybe it pushes a little bit higher into 61.8 and then dumps again, something like that, but has a good confluence. Yeah, that your refugee is juicy. Entry there, stop loss here. We can see the 2-hour 200 EMA is acting like a resistance. So the order flow is bearish as it can be. 4 hours, not to mention. So price action is not that bullish as it wants to be. See you, Tolga. I don't see a high probability setup here. These highs are swept. We have some potential equal highs here. Maybe one more sweep, maybe. I would take profit though at around here. Let's put this paper here, 2.6, 2.06, pendle, pendle. ARPA doing nothing, spell doing okay-ish actually. Actually, what I'll do is I'll add to my trade. I'll add to my winning position if we confirm the W. If I see this W confirmed, guys, I will add to my position and then move the stop loss at break even. And then it's actually like a risk-free trade. But if you don't know how to do that, don't do it. Maybe it looks easy because I'm doing this daily. Well, Muro, absolutely that you relonged illiquid coins. Man, how I don't like that. Now, there you go. The moment he's posting, the moment these uh, coins are spiking, I think he found a glitch in the matrix. I don't like that. Hmm. Look at this daily candle. You don't want to long something like this. I mean, okay, you are scalping 5-15 minutes, but you have to look at this. Yeah, you don't want to long this. No. Price action is weak. Hmm. No, no thank you. I was just checking what he longed. Hmm. Most likely the price will tap into this area and then go lower. Something like this. Well, spell it fired. It's a risk-free trade, guys. As I said, if I see a nice candle body closing above this high, I will add to my winning position. If you don't know how to do that, I repeat, don't do it. You will just hire your position, you will hire the potential loss of that specific trade if you don't know where to move or your stop loss, because I'll close the stream in 10-15 minutes and then you will remain with a bigger position and you will come on Discord or Twitter and say, well, fuck you. I added to my winning position and then it went to stop loss and I lost more than I wanted. So don't do it if you don't know how to do it. Okay. And if you want the trades like stupid simple, well, on VIP, I'm giving them, it's just for trading, no noise. There's no noise on VIP. I'm kicking everybody's ass who tries to come and I don't know, and just break those rules. That's only for trading. No noise. Everything is trading related. I don't care about PNLs. I don't care about moon boys or stuff like that. I only care about consistency, trade after trade after trade. And I care about the PNL at the end of the month. That's the only thing that I care. If you come and then you tell me that you lost 10% on a losing trade that I posted, I figure I won't even continue a discussion and explain you anymore. Because I don't know. If you've been following me, then you know how trading has to be done. Okay. Well, I don't like the coins that Muro longed. The liquid shitcoins, Bendog and Ponke, they did reacted after his post. Yeah, there you go. He posted here. I'm not sustaining this idea, but it is what it is. We have a nice setup on Solana. Though lower, not here. What's this red line? Ah, POC. Okay. So Bitcoin is rejecting POC. Okay. It was, I was expecting that. It's not signal, it's my trading room with clear rules, with no moon boys, with no bullshit, just trading. And yes, if you want to take it as signal, yes, it's my everything that I'm taking is there. It's not about signal. It's everything that I'm taking, that I'm trading, that I'm moving the stop loss, taking profits and stuff like that. I post them there. I keep it to 20 by 20, so we keep it to max 20 persons. The fee is just to keep out the moon boys. That's the only thing, because if it would have been about the fee, then we would have had unlimited spots. So that's why we keep it 20 by 20 to keep up out the moon boys. We don't care about the fee. We don't care about that. We want silence. We want only trading, like really focused on charting, on profits and stuff like that. You can check on Discord. You can give me a DM if you're interested. We only have 2 spots left, and then I'll be closing it in a few days. If today the spots are getting filled, I'll close it today. I don't like this move, was too fast. Well, you're from Twitter, no? I think you came from my Twitter. You can DM me on Twitter. You can join Discord. The Discord link is on description. Yeah, just join Discord and ask for Stefan. And also, don't try to outsmart the probabilities. I have to keep this rant all the time. If you're fucking around with the probabilities, you will end up nasty. You will end up losing. For example, I saw traders, and I'm speaking with some of them, but not with those persons. I saw traders starting some challenges, being proud that they made like 80% in 10 trades or 90%. They doubled the account in 10 trades. That's impossible. Well, let's not use the word impossible, but the probabilities for that are very low. But more than that, it's not the probabilities that are low, it's about the risk that you are putting your account on. Because to have something like that, probabilities and data shows that the risk, it's actually the liquidation of the whole account. And I witnessed a lot of account blow off due to that mistake. I'm here for day by day grind. Yeah, let me show you the portfolio evolution from VIP. I started the challenge with $10,000. We are at 14 in 3 months. Maybe it's slow, I don't care. Slow, fast, I don't care. Yeah. Win rate is at about 53% right now. Risk to reward ratio average, it's about 2.7 R. This is what it is. It's going up. I'm happy. I don't care about anything else. Oh, what's happening? Some of them are pumping like crazy. I don't know. Right now, you would only long market. I don't see setups like we have on MAV, like on Spell. Spell is looking good. If you want to long market, up to you. I hate doing that. And usually it doesn't end well. If you long something market, I don't know, you have a plan to market long? I don't have one. I don't know how to react if I long something market. If I'm chasing, for example, in the past, I would have felt FOMO here and say, okay, let's buy here. But you know the next rule. What is the next rule? Yeah, your take profit. It's to God knows. What the fuck is doing this one? But the next question is, where do you put your stop loss? You are not allowed to take a trade without a stop loss. There is no such thing. Where do you put your the fucking stop loss? Here. Why? So let them be. You play your setups. We have our probabilities to win. Where is a probability to win, it's a probability to lose. But always keep the risk under control, because that's what will keep you on the long run. That's what will help you to compound those profits month after month after month after month. Risk management. And that's how you trade professionally. Don't look on Twitter at the majority of influencers if you want to trade professionally. There are 1, 2, 3 traders that I know and I discuss with them and that are actually trading professionally. The 90%, the majority, they are not even traders. They are manipulators. They cannot execute live a setup because they don't have a plan, because they don't know how to execute a setup live. There are so many things that can go wrong in a setup while trading, that most of the people, they don't want to take part of that because it's very difficult to do it. And by the way, if you want to learn how to trade professionally without fucking around, we have our schools. So it's not a PDF that we're sending. It's actually live trading school that either it's with me or with Paul. Capua 1, it's about planning, risk management. The first part, the crucial part that a trader has to know, because you cannot trade without risk management and without a plan. And then if you really want to get into that scalping environment, then I say, okay, welcome aboard. Let's scalp. That's with me. But not everyone is made for scalping, because the amount of money that you are rolling, like per minute, per day, it's insane. For some of people that are really greedy and without a plan, you are just fucking your portfolio and you will end up losing. So if you want to learn, we are here. You might say, oh, 16% is not a lot on 1 month. I know people that did 100x of their portfolio on a Solana shitcoin. Well, good luck with that. Good luck with that. I made 20x with Momo. I posted Momo on VIP on my shitcoin challenge. I made 20x on Momo, but it's 20x out of a 1% position. And then say, oh, well, why you entered 1%? You could have entered with your whole portfolio and did 20x. No shit. How do you know that Mumu is not going to get rugged and you don't lose everything that you have? Well, you don't. That's why probabilities will be the ones that will help you, and in the same time, the probabilities are the ones that will break your account and will get you back to that 9 to 5 job if you're not behaving. Okay. If you love my rant, give a like. If you don't love my rant, give a like. Yeah. Professional trading has to be boring, has to be systemic, has to be even. It has to be really like have a flow. If you see me on VIP, the ones that are for more. I mean, I have members that are for more than 1 year, and they are telling me, okay, you are keeping me the spot. I don't want to hear that you're kicking me out or something like that. Because it's a flow there, and you only get it after 1 or 2 months of trading with me. You see how everything is working. You're relaxing. You are trading only. You are risking only 1% per trade. You are taking all the trade ideas. 4 out of 10 they are losing trades. 6 out of 10 they are winning trades. Easy. You know that the probabilities are favoring your portfolio, and you are executing. But then comes the part where you get better and better daily because there's so much work to do as a trader on yourself as a person. You have to get better at execution. You have to get better at planning. You have to get better at taking profits and stuff like that. Well, it's a whole process, guys. That being said, I'll take profit here at daily open, TP1 around here. It's a whole process. I learned from PJ. He was my mentor. I'm really grateful for that. I'm doing this with Discord too. Because I learned from him, I'm giving it back to Discord and to Twitter to everyone who wants to learn. But it broke me psychologically. It broke me because I had bad habits. I had to uh, give them away. So I had to renounce to those bad habits in order to be a profitable trader. And that usually is breaking you up psychologically. Well, we are risk-free, guys. Risk-free trade. Let's put it here. And I'm still thinking short on Ethereum. It's a damn good idea. Even here, SFU. I don't know, call me crazy. Though this 15 minutes candle is a little bit too strong for my taste. Though 30 minutes is looking good. But most likely price will violate this low and then going higher. I don't know. I got mixed feelings about the market right now. Bitcoin is testing that W. Let me check if I can get an entry. Can snipe something. Well, daily open should hold. So if I would go with a 50-50 aggressive trade, that one was violated. Well, call me crazy. I'm trying something here. Minutes. This one wasn't violated here, so price might down from it. 2.19. Okay. and then until here, 590. Why not? Why not? If I want to long Bitcoin or Ethereum, Ethereum is stronger. Mixed feelings. Mixed feelings. Yeah, I'll take this one. I'll take it with the low risk because I already have some trades in the market. You either take it with 0.5 or 0.25, something like that. It's a retarded trade, but I'll have to try it. Posted it in scalps. So spell, ARPA, MAV, and that will be it, I think. And Bitcoin. Guys, if you have questions, please let me know. I'll keep it up for maybe 3-5 more minutes and then I'll call it a session. I know I'm always thinking if you are in this space, you are here because you want to make money. No, I mean most of the people that's what they want, to make money. That's what they wish from trading and stuff like that. But in the same time, they want to make money in a way that's impossible of generating profits in the long run, and they are trying to make money in a way where they are fucking around with the probabilities. You can never do that. You can never fuck around with probabilities. Probabilities are the ones that you either create a plan that takes advantage of the probabilities, or you will end up with your ass kicked by the probabilities, with the portfolio liquidated, not using the probabilities in your advantage. And you can do so many mistakes. That's why trading is so difficult, because there are so many moving averages, exactly like the EMAs. There are so many moving statistics, and you can actually impact the statistics even if you are mad. Yeah, even if you're mad and you don't you're not acting or reacting accordingly on the execution, you can alterate the statistics that you will get in the end. Because let me get a compound calculator, okay? Well, that compounding calculator is based on statistics. Then you have a trading journal, which I think everyone should have a trading, yeah, this one. Everyone should have a trading journal. Well, let's say that you have a 54.54 winning probability. You want to aim for a 2-to-1 risk to reward always, and then let's give 5-line risk per trade 1. I'm going to show you something, because if you are changing your risk per trade always, because I know some people, they might risk 0.75, or on some trade you might risk 0.5. In another trade you're risking 2. In another trade you're risking 3. You know what's happening? These lines from the bottom, which are drawing your profits away from you, those will get higher and higher in number, because what's happening, the probabilities will be against you in a way that those losses, the biggest drawdown losses, will be higher based on the risk per trade. So if you are risking 3% on a trade, 5% on a trade, 1% on a trade, it will be impossible to generate profits, because you are altering the probabilities, and you are, in order for this to be a constant, to give you data about your trading style, you are altering the data by changing it a lot. Yeah. And that will be really, really difficult for your journey. What time frame, Paul? Well, I like injective here, but it's too high. Like a triple tap on high time frame. Well, I think I'll take a long one injective here. Yeah, I will take a long here. That's 61.8. Maybe I should give it a little bit room for one more SFU. We have a 4.14, or let's give it a 3R. Let's give it a little bit more room. I'm taking this one. I'll post on VIP now. Sorry, I have to manage the trades too, and post, and it's really difficult. That's why you don't see too many people doing this, because it's damn difficult. And guys, I know a lot of people want to join VIP, but first I need to check something. I need to check initially. Yeah, maybe you heard. I don't check. I don't accept moon boys. We are professionally risking the exactly the same amount every time, taking only setups. If I'm losing, I'm losing. So 4 to 5 times out of 10, I'm losing. Yeah, I'm losing 1 R, and 5 times out, or 6 times out of 10, I'm making 2 point something R. So in the long equity curve, everything is on the upside. Okay. Energy, yeah, the daily one, the spot. Yeah, I'm still long on the daily setup. I'm still long. Yeah, I'm not canceling them. I either take a stop loss or a take profit. I don't care. Let's see, Bitcoin didn't give me an entry, this motherfucker. Let's see, Spell gave another entry. Oh, Spell, you are fucking around. What are you doing? Mav wants to dump. ARPA there. Well, let's see why it dumped. Okay, it violated that FEG. I think I should give him room to breathe. because it might SFU this low and then go higher. I think Ethereum is not helping him too much. Well, if my thesis, my intermediate thesis is right on Ethereum, this can be the local top before a plunge or this one. So let's see. I have a short here at the sweep of this highs. Let's check what Ethereum Bitcoin does. Well, you know my plan. I posted this, I think, 2 months ago. And it looks like he did the second plan. Look at the good reaction from the swing low reclaim here. Technically speaking, it should hold. What it can do, it's actually tap into this area here where we have the S&R, the major S&R. You see here resistance, 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 support. And what it can do, this motherfucker, it's actually a power of 3 on low time frame. So we can have something like this. And then I'm okay with taking it. So right now it's almost at risk free because the initial stop loss was here. So I'll only lose like 0.18%, minus 0.18%. So I'm okay with that. I'll take the stop loss if it's required. Well, already received some DMs, guys, regarding the spots. There are only 2 spots left. If this one is taken out, it will be one. But be careful because, as we mentioned, no gamble, no moon boys, no, I don't know, no stuff like that. Just trade after trade professionally. Everything else is just noise. Yeah, I'm focusing there only on trading, only on probabilities, and you have to act accordingly if you want to join. You have to know how to put those probabilities to work for you. Let's see if Bitcoin reacts at the daily open. We have an ugly M here, so, but price should, if it's swept, so if price has flipped this area, it should hold it. For the moment, it should hold it and then go to the next pivot point, which is the blue line. Until here, I should have my trade risk free. So also, for example, Kapwatu, the learning program that I'm teaching at, it's giving you access to VIP. So you can pick VIP series month by month or the Kapwatu program, which I'm teaching. Hmm. Let me check something on order flow on open interest on that on this one, because it looks like it's losing steam. Or it's just building liquidity. It's manipulating a lot of liquidity right now. So maybe price can tap into this area and actually trigger sort of a power of three. We'll see. But I think I'll try to long due to the high risk to reward. You can see the equal highs here. So it's a pretty high probability play in my point of view. And if I'm taking a stop loss there, I might consider taking a long again. Taking 1 2 stop losses for an 11 risk to reward ratio, give me that every day and I will take it. I don't care about anything else. Oh, let's see. It's holding for the moment. Bitcoin didn't give me an entry, or it did. No, it didn't. Motherfucker. Well, if there are no more questions, guys, I would ask you to hit that like button if you really enjoyed the show. Follow us on YouTube, on Twitter, and join Discord and trade with us. We are doing this live day by day. I'm doing it at the London session. Mostly Paul is doing it. I mean, we are holding them together. London and New York, 2 hours of live streaming. That makes a total of 4 hours each day. Just looking for setups day by day, trying to compound those profits day by day, day in and day out work. If you want to learn how to trade, we have the school, the Capua 1 and the Capua 2. It's up to you if you want to make money in these markets or if you want to gamble or stuff like that. It's up to everyone. But if you're starting, if you are in this business and you want to make some money, at least make it professionally. Because if you are thinking at the business model, they have order books, they have everything that um, the expenses, everything gets logged. Why wouldn't you do that? If you are aiming for the same sort of business, why are you not doing the same stuff? Yeah, ask yourself, why do you think it's different? Well, you know that saying, if you lost money so far and you are doing the same things that you did in the past while losing money, and you expect different results, uh, you know, uh, you know the next part. It's stupid to expect different results while applying the same mistakes. Let's see. This is damn risky. It's just a low time frame thesis for continuation. Well, I'm thinking about spell that does a potential power of 3. I'll be taking this 0.18 loss. Not a problem for me. I'm glad to take it. And I actually try to long if I see a reclaim, if I see the price sweeping the lows here and then reclaiming up, then I might consider taking it. Yeah. Well, that being said, guys, I think we can call it a session. We have some setups. I discussed some scenarios. Um, and what I'll do, but be careful with the risk, please, because we have news and it's not looking good because those news can give you ugly slippage, if you know what I mean. I've been through that. I saw those -3%, -4%. Well, for you maybe it's not a lot, but taking on one scalp idea -5%, for me it's a lot. For some gamblers addicted, -5%, it's nothing. where they used to all in one trade. But for me, it's some work. If I take a -5, I'll have some work to do. That being said, we'll hear you in the New York session in 6 hours on the New York trading session. Tomorrow I'll be streaming again, but on Discord. Discord is opened, so the live stream session that I'm doing daily, it's opened for public until 5 August. Yeah, because there I'm giving a little I don't know, showcase of what I'm doing on a daily basis. That being said, thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll hear you in the next trading session. Bye bye.